your broadcast. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Fellas, very good morning to you. Today is Thursday, April 9th. It is the last trade day of the week. Tomorrow's Good Friday. Markets are closed. Hope you guys all had a wonderful quarantine afternoon. See what we can't come up with here today. Oil has been all over the place. That meeting is supposed to take place today. So oil could be fairly volatile. It could drag us with it, or the markets with it. Coming into the session, we've got about 1,500 net sellers right now in the NASDAQ. We do have buyers in silver. We do have buyers, 1,300, almost 1,400 net buyers in gold. Gold is up very big overnight. Looks like we're going to pull back to 15, which should be some support. But we do have sellers coming in right now. On the ES, NASDAQ's rolling over. Could come back down to 30 and then 22. Below that, 81.10, then 8100. Small sellers right now in crude, a couple hundred. Bonds have been bid this morning. Russell is already in a short on the 3-minute. It's actually hit first target. ES hit both targets, 5 and 10 handles. On the bot, I don't have them on. In any event, guys, we're here. Can I just get a quick sound check, please? Sound check. Anybody? Sound check? Thank you, Karen. Okay, Jeff, thank you. All right, guys. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll check for news. And we'll go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. There is your disclaimer, fellas. I wasn't paying any attention after 2 monster trades. Crude is in a long on the bot, 3-minute bot. That 77 might be a bit tough because we're going to have to come through 70, 71. But the bot is up in crude. $2.3 million more in free money. Jeez. All right, I got 63. Not a bad call from 42. We should get 64 still, fellas. And above 69 quarter. It's only 253 million to buy in the open. But above 49 quarter, this thing goes wackadoodles. I mean, above 69 quarter goes wackadoodles. It'll break out like gold did. So gold got my target, guys, 26 from 19, 15, whatever it was. 14.6 was the breakout. 14.6. Some of you, your trials will conclude next week. I will be sending access links for next week on Saturday. The link you currently have expires theoretically tomorrow, but technically today since the markets are closed tomorrow. I would encourage you, regardless of where you live, if you're a member or a trial, to be in this room at 8 a.m. If you are joining us late, I hope that sleep did you well. You have missed some monster trades. Gold was a breakout long at 14.2. I gave it. Yes, I gave the long somewhere around 41. Dollar index back below 100. Silver looks like it wants a long. I need a pullback in gold if we're going to find longs, but it's hit all of my targets. I don't know where. Let me see where gold. Yeah, I don't think gold can get much further. I mean, it may, but MNQ, I don't know anything about it. I'm not trading it, Rich. I can tell you NQ, if it breaks out above 83, call it 83.17, is going to keep going. I'm not, again, for better part of a week and a half, I have not paid attention to MES or MNQ, nor will I. I don't trade them. I can't trade them. I don't want to trade them. But you can take the Q from, the mini, right? Not the micro. You can take the Q from the NQ. So if I tell you NQ is, again, my style of trade is not conducive to trading an instrument that gets me 50 cents a tick. We still haven't gotten to target, but we should. This is the second push. You got a long trying on the NASDAQ here. Not yet. I don't have it yet. We finished with 919 million to buy, and there's first target, guys. Hit it, didn't fill it. All right, here comes a pullback. I do have some freezing. NASDAQ, I mean, I like shorts, guys, at least back to 82.16, but I don't like the stop, so let's see if we get a push. Get ready for a NASDAQ short. Ready for a NASDAQ short. I don't have it yet, but I am watching the NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ, 46.47. 46.47 is NASDAQ short. And your stop has to be 61 right now. 61. You got 5 handles in it. There you go. You can drop stop down to 56. Hang on. I got freezing, guys. I'm freezing. Man, damn it. Come on. Came down to 37.75. I still think we're coming lower. I don't think we can get above 62. 82.07, 82.08 is what I like for a final target. Here's crude got first target, has gone break even +1. I'll leave that on the 3-minute bot. I've had no other bot trades, not one. Nothing has taken a trade. Monster trade. Again. And not one dingbat trial showed up today. A bunch of goofballs. Seriously. ES will follow, dude. It's coming down. Come on, NASDAQ, get down here. We got to 03. Still coming to 88. It's coming to 81, 88. Careful, it's going to bounce. If you want ticks, take them. Still a big trade. It's going to bounce. I don't think it can get above 24, but it's going to bounce. Did I miss a gold trade? No. Gold's trying to yeah, I did. I missed a gold short on the 377. Here it comes back down. Here it comes. It's coming to 81.88, guys. 81.88. I'm telling you where it's coming. ES is coming down to 80, that target I gave you guys. Below that, 76. I think the ES is going to start working down to 27.56. 27.56. Look at this. Make a liar out of me. Came to 96. It's coming to 88. I'm telling you guys, NASDAQ's coming to 88. ES is headed, going to work down to 27.56. There's 94. Come on, buddy. One more push. Anybody holding this to 88? Anybody holding? It's a 40 handle trade, guys. Oh, 89. No, you didn't. No, you did not. 88. Boom. Target hit. Free trade all the way now. You're running them. Free trade. It's a 40 handle trade. Come on, man. Crude's bid again. Thank you, Stephen. ES shorted 87 quarter. Yeah, on that move up, I said 89. I didn't think it can get above 89. It got 90. Gold is selling. I'm not sure why, but they're selling gold. I don't have a trade. I'm just I get lucky, guys. I mean, I get lucky. As long as you guys get lucky too, we're good. We should get a small bounce on the ES about 76, but it's going to work down to 65. Below that, it's coming to 27.56. 27.56. NASDAQ should bounce 71. And if it comes below 65, comes to 81.40. Yeah, the ES is a pain in the complete rump. You know that. It's a short, though. I mean, I like the ES when it's pinging around like a jackrabbit, like it was, and I can get in and out of targets. What I don't like about the ES is when it's trading like it has been over the last week. 4 ticks down, 6 ticks up, 6 ticks down, 3 back up, 2-point drop. I mean, it's cannot get a trade today on RB. It's so slow waiting on this OPEC plus meeting. So I can't get an RB trade. I mean, I made money today, both accounts. I'm content. ZB's trying to get a bid. If bonds, anybody's interested in bonds, can break above 29, they go to 06, 07. Silver almost made 16 bucks. It's pulled back. You got a small long on silver at 55 up to 80, 75, 80. ES needs to collapse through 76. Here it comes. Once it's through 76, your target is 65. Below 76, ES comes to 65. Below 65, it comes to 56. It broke 76. Al, they've all been order flow trades. The only bot trade that's been taken today is the 3-minute on crude. Everything has been in longs. The NASDAQ went short on the 3-minute, but it was against a white background, so that wouldn't take a trade. The ES is attempting to roll over, as is the Russell and gold on the 3 minutes. There's been one trade today. There you go, guys, 72. I told you if it broke, mine hasn't fired yet. It will on this candle. We're coming down to 65.50, 65.50, 66 area now on the ES. Below 65, we're coming to 56, and then we start working down to 27.38. 27.38. We basically rejected that 50% Fibonacci level. This is the ES Crable break down here at 66. I did not think we would get there. I really didn't. Is anybody currently short ES? Or still holding NASDAQ from that 82.27 short? Anybody? Okay, Ryan, you're holding ES or NASDAQ? All right, best stop right now on the ES, 79, 10 handles, 79. Okay, Floyd. If we break below 65 half, you come 27.56. All right, gold shorted on the bot on the 3-minute. That's only the second bot trade today. Saudi Arabia and Russia have a deal. Deep cuts, long crude, long RB on any pullbacks. My freaking RB chart's frozen. God damn it. Can't stand it. My chart's frozen. I can't take a trade. This may send the market back up, fellas. Come on. Gold is still short on the bot, but not going anywhere. We broke out on RB. RB is broken out. We should go much higher on RB. What's funny is they're almost paying people to take gas here. It's so funny. They have so much gasoline. Gold is long at 24.9. 24.9 if anybody wants a GC trade. Be blessed, Craig. Like $1.45. There are some places in the country where it's under $1. Very quickly go through trades, okay? Bots. Currently, silver bot is in a long. It's underwater, but it's in a long, okay? We'll leave that. NASDAQ did not take a trade today. That's off. No trades in my NASDAQ bot. Russell is in a trade as well. This is the only trade it's taken. And the ES is currently in a trade as well. Okay. It's the only trade the ES has taken on the bots. Gold is also in a trade. Long. It's down 40 bucks. But gold, the 3 minutes are in trades, up 20 bucks right now. Okay. It's been as high as 37 from 34.2. So it's been as high as 900 bucks up. Hasn't gone to target yet, but ES is still sitting. I will be shutting these bots off. So they will not take any more trades. Whatever these do, they do. So the bots are all my bots are off. Okay. Crude on the 3 minute finished up 380. That's off. ZB finished up 687.50. That's off. And I've done personally no more trades. The leader follower is up 363. Most of the trades on the ES, unfortunately, are 8 to 10 handle stops, which I cannot and will not do. And my account, I'm up 495. Got a short here on the ES, but the stop is 81. Best I have, 74 with an 81. 7 handles. I'm not going to take a 7 handle stop, guys. And now the Crable break. VWAP has risen. We're coming down. 74 would have been 2 handles right there. But I am, at this point, guys, done trading for the week. I've made money again today. Both accounts. 850 again. One was a NASDAQ trade and one was an ES trade. I can't really trade the NASDAQ, which is my favorite instrument. Just a follow-up, guys, on a couple of the bots that are in trades. Gold is up 500 bucks on this trade. That'd be a little eerie for me. Dean, Russell's trying to come down. This is the only trade that Russell took today. Gold's up 560. It's got to get through here, 36.5, and then 37.4. Excuse me. And the ES trying to work lower again on the bot. But fellas, I'm done for the day. I've made money this week. I'm good. I'm okay with $500 on my end. Bonds are bidding if anybody is interested in bonds. 20 was the entry. They went 5 ticks already. Watch this ES. Look, now the Crable break is right on top. VWAP is risen to the Crable. Isn't that a stinker? If we break that 65, ES is coming to that. Listen, I'll give you targets. 27.56, write them down. 27.56, 27.37. And if we blow through 27.27, we could come all the way back to 27.08. Okay? Guys, I'm going to wrap it up for the week. I will see you all on Monday. Have a blessed Easter. Remember what Easter is all about. Our Lord and Savior has risen. Be safe. I will see y'all on Monday. If anybody needs me, please feel free to email me, call me, or Skype me. I will be around. I've got some one-on-ones to do today, guys.